Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to cover about the crypto, especially Bitcoin movements that so far very good. In the last 7 days, we see a rally from Bitcoin price, and all of the altcoin followed by all altcoins from top 10 to the shit coins and all of the coins in the crypto industry, but not only in cryptocurrency. All the all financial markets also have a upward movement in their price. What causes the price move upward? Of course, it's caused by people or investor, especially financial investors that might accumulating their maybe they're starting to accumulate their their fund, accumulating their assets, and begin to spread their money into some assets from the gold or other commodities, stocks, and crypto as well. But as far as I know, they spread this money heavily allocated on stock, of course, and golds, and a little of it has been invested on the crypto. But why it has a very big impact on the crypto market or the crypto movement? It's caused the volatility, huge volatility that very significant change that caused very significant change in the price itself. As far as I know, because the the market caps of the uh, financial crypto financial markets is very low compared to the market caps of gold and stock. So a small amount from the whales like institutional investor can affect a very significantly on the Bitcoin price as a leader of crypto markets, and followed by other coins as well. So this is a good news for all of us that maybe this is a starting point that bull run was going to happen in the next few days or few months, and it's just starting points. So if that the case, we can confirm that the $16,000 was the bottom of the Bitcoin price. And if that going through a bull run, we are getting into we are we are begin to we are at the end of the crypto winter phase and ready to enter the spring phase, the spring sessions for the crypto markets. So the we'll see more of upward movement momentum of the price instead of downturns that we see in the last few years, in the last years. From my perspective, this is a very long bear market that crypto markets has experienced in their lifetime because the situations of the whole economy was very worse that makes unexpected downward movement that cause a bear market long have a long lasting downturn and longer bear markets can cause our psychology can make our mood and our perspective belief of these financials decreasing and maybe vanish at all, and that makes some people broke and lost their money, so they will never enter into markets and leave the markets recover without their money in. That's the worst case that maybe people who not so experienced that don't have many experience in financial markets, they will give up and move away from looking at charts, move away from the financial markets, and they do uh, normal jobs as usual. So they lose their opportunity. But for me, this is our opportunity. But if you're long-term investors, I suggest that you have to wait for at least Bitcoin to take a break. Maybe they will create some of recovery. I mean corrections. Yes, from the bull markets. They're always from the rally. There always a corrections on it. So if you see a red candle and a higher red candle, maybe a Bitcoin can move down to $16,000. That's the possible price that Bitcoin can uh, visit. $19,000 is a level that Bitcoin might visit in the future, maybe in these weeks, on a few days ahead. And of course, that's an opportunity to us to getting into the markets as much as we can, accumulating fund that we can afford. But of course, just my recommendations, my advice, don't borrow money that you can afford to lose. Don't invest using uh, borrowed money from your friends, families, or from your bank, because it will increase your uh your risk. It increase your risk in the financial market because no one can predict exactly. We can only anticipate that opportunity is in or not, but we are not having a whole control, the exact control of the crypto markets movements. Instead, we just looking at some possibility, a chance that become a sign of uh, bull run in the next bull run. The opportunity that we can take with our money, of course, the money that we've been calculated before according to our profile, our risk profile. And that's my advice for the current Bitcoin market conditions. And I hope you can prepare for these bull runs and we can enjoy ourselves becoming increasing our wealth and our power to survive in this world and becoming more and more uh, growing in the financial stuff. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm sorry if my English a bit very basic because I'm I'm just beginning for learning to speak, and this YouTube is my place uh, to exercise to practice my speaking in a life and in other and with other people's in front of other people's. And okay, I hope that's no problem for you, and see you next time. Take care.